Hey! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and download this app, this one, from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open and wait for the pop-ups to show. Now you need to select Allow and Allow while using in all of the pop-ups. So while using Allow, swipe up and choose Home button. Then click on iOS Launcher, choose Always over here, and finally click on Got it. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my Android. But if you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Sorry, misclick. Then scrolling down, choosing Advanced and Default Apps. Now click on Home app. To go back to your default launcher, click on Quick Step. If you want to use iOS one, select iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!